Hi, this is Miss Antone again. In my last lesson, I cut an apple into half, and then I cut those halves again into halves. So I had 4 pieces. Whenever you have 4 pieces of something, of the whole, that number 4 as a fraction is written in the denominator part. If we're talking about 1 piece, we would put that 1 up there. If we're talking about 4 pieces, it would be written like this, 4 out of 4, which is also the whole apple. If we're talking about 3 pieces of the apple, how would that be written? We would write 3 over 4, and you say 3/4. If we're adding, here we have 2 groups. We have 2 of the 4 apples over here. We could write that as 2 over 4. And we can add, put a plus mark. And then we have another 2 over 4. 2/4 plus 2/4 has the same denominator. You keep that the same. You're going to have 4/4. Anytime you have the same number over the denominator, it's going to equal 1. Now you see why. 2 plus 2/4 plus 2/4 is the whole apple. I'm going to cut each piece into half again with one hand. So we have there, there. Do not try this at home with a knife. There. You could play with Play-Doh and use a butter knife or a plastic knife. You could make a ball and practice that way. So here we have the same apple, right? How many pieces do we have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means we have 8 total pieces. It's the same apple. We have 8 pieces now, so that's the denominator. But those pieces are smaller. See, before, there were 4 pieces, and the pieces were bigger. But now each of those pieces was split up into 8. Did you know you could keep splitting an apple into half and you would never finish? It would be impossible to finish splitting something in half. That's just kind of weird. So anyway, we have the 8 on the bottom because there's 8 pieces. So what if we have 3 of those pieces? We would put the 3 on top of the 8. And what if we add the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? What is that going to equal? You should know, because you see the whole thing there, and whole means 1. So we're going to keep the 8 on the bottom. 5 plus 3 is 8, right? 8 over 8 always equals 1. 1 apple. It doesn't have to be an apple. It can be anything. It could be a pizza. It could be a pie. It could be anything in the world. Those are just the easiest things to use. You think I could split these in half? How about I split them in half the other way? So I'm going to go like this. Split that one in half that way. That way. That way. You get the idea. I just don't know how to edit this. That one wasn't quite in half, but we're going to pretend that these are all exactly in half. La la la. Hope everyone's enjoying their time at home and not getting too bored. So, my gosh, I should, since I split everything in half, I should have how many pieces? We should double it. Let's count. Ready? What do you think? Say your answer, and then we'll do it. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Thank goodness I did that correctly. So let's pretend we have exactly the same amount in each piece, which I do not. Fractions always have to be equally divided. So now we have 16 pieces total. That goes on the bottom. Let's take 4 pieces, and we'll put that number on top. And we're going to add 3 more. So we're only going to use 4 and 3 more. So we're going to put 3 over 16. So what is our answer? 4/16 plus 3/16. Well, you can add these together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 goes on top. And there's still a total of 16 pieces. So 4/16 plus 3/16 is 7/16. Should we do a subtraction problem? Let's try subtraction. I'm going to say that's 15 pieces. We know that's 15 because there's 16. So we're going to do 15 over 16 minus, how many should we subtract away? Let's minus 5 to make it easy. So we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But instead of saying minus 5, we have to write it as a fraction. We have to say minus 5/16. Still need that denominator. So since it's the same denominator, we can subtract the top number easy. 15 minus 5 is what? What is 15 minus 5? If you don't know, we're going to count. We took away 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What happened? 5. Oh, I counted this. Okay, here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you see that? There's 10 pieces. So 15 minus 5 equals 10 of 16. See you next time.